Hello students, in this video we are going to learn NCERT class 8th maths chapter 2 linear equations in one variable exercise 2.3.
Solve the following equation and check your results. इस एक्सरसाइज में भी हमें x की वैल्यू निकालनी है। जिस तरह से हमने एक्सरसाइज 2.1 में निकाली थी उसी तरह से हमें इस एक्सरसाइज में भी निकालनी है। बस डिफरेंस ये है कि यहाँ पे जो भी वेरिएबल है वो हमें इक्वल टू के दोनों साइड दिए हुए हैं। हमें पहले वेरिएबल्स को एक तरफ लेना है और कांस्टेंट्स को एक तरफ लेना है और फिर वेरिएबल की वैल्यू निकालनी है। फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इज 3x equal to 2x plus 18. So 3x 2x को LHS में लेंगे तो हो जाएगा minus 2x equal to 18. 3x minus 2x will give you 1x equal to 18 and 1x is nothing but x equal to 18. Okay. Now we'll check our result. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे हमें क्या दिया था 3x x की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे x की वैल्यू है 18 सो 3 into 18 राइट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू 2x plus 18 x की वैल्यू है 18 सो विल गेट 2 into 18 plus 18 this is equal to 2 18s is 36 plus 18 is equal to 54. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence our answer is correct. Now second equation is 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. So variables वाली terms को हम left hand side ले लेंगे और constants को हम right hand side ले लेंगे. 5t minus 3t is equal to minus 5 plus 3. So 5t minus 3t is 2t equal to minus 5 plus 3 will give us minus 2. So t is equal to minus 2 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. So this will give you minus 1. So t is equal to minus 1. We'll check our solution. LHS is equal to 5t minus 3. Value of t is minus 1. So 5 into minus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 8. Right hand side is equal to 3t minus 5 is equal to 3 into minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 3 into minus 1 is equal to minus 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 8. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side and hence our answer is correct. Third equation is 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. So again variable वाली term को हम left side में लेंगे और constant को हम right side में लेंगे. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 5 minus 9. Now 5x minus 3x will give you 2x equal to 5 minus 9 is minus 4. 2 को हम right side में लेंगे तो divide हो जाएगा x is equal to minus 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So x is equal to minus 2 upon 1 which is equal to minus 2. Now let us check our solution. Left hand side is equal to 5x plus 9 equal to 5 into minus 2 plus 9 which is equal to 5 into minus 2 will give you minus 10 plus 9 is equal to minus 10 plus 9 will give you minus 1. Right hand side is equal to 5 plus 3x which is equal to 5 plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 5 plus 3 into minus 2 will give you minus 6. This is equal to, now plus into minus will give you minus. So 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, and hence our answer is correct. Equation 4th, 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. वेरिएबल को हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले जाएंगे और कांस्टेंट को हम ले जाएंगे राइट साइड पे. सो 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. So 4z minus 2z will give you 2z equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So z is equal to 3 upon 2. Now we'll substitute value of z in the given equation. So LHS is equal to 4z is 3 by 2 plus 3, which is equal to 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So 2 3s are 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Now right hand side is equal to 6 plus 2z. Now this is equal to 6 plus 2 into z is 3 by 2. So 2 will go with 2. You'll get 6 plus 3 equal to 9. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence our solution is correct. Equation 5, 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. Minus x उस तरफ जाएगा तो प्लस x हो जाएगा और minus 1 राइट साइड जाएगा तो प्लस 1 हो जाएगा. So we'll get 2x plus x is equal to 14 plus 1. 2x plus x will give you 3x. This is equal to 14 plus 1 is 15. Now 3 will go to right side. So x is equal to 15 divided by 3. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Therefore x is equal to 5 by 1, which is equal to 5. Now we'll check our solution. So left hand side is equal to 2x minus 1, which is equal to 2, x is 5, minus 1, 2 into 5 is 10, minus 1 is equal to 9. Right hand side is equal to 14 minus x equal to 14 minus x is 5. So 14 minus 5 will give you 9. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, and hence our solution is correct. Equation 6, 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 in bracket x minus 1 plus 7. Now we'll first separate variable. We'll open the bracket. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7. So we'll get 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x. Now minus 3 plus 7 will give you plus 4. अब वेरिएबल वाली टर्म्स को हम ले जाएंगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड कांस्टेंट को हम ले जाएंगे राइट साइड. सो 8x minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 4. 8x minus 3x will give you 5x, which is equal to 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 को राइट हैंड साइड ले जाएंगे. We'll get x is equal to 0 divided by 5 is 0. Let us check our solution. Left hand side is equal to 8x plus 4. X is 0, so we'll get 8 into 0 plus 4 equal to 8 zeros is 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Now right hand side is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7 equal to 3x is 0 minus 1 plus 7. This is equal to 0 minus 1 is minus 1, and minus 1 into 3 will give you minus 3 plus 7 equal to 4. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence our solution is correct. Equation 7, x is equal to 4 upon 5 in brackets x plus 10. अब वापस से हमें ब्रैकेट्स को पहले खोलना है. So we'll get x is equal to 4 upon 5 x plus 4 upon 5 into 10. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So we'll get x is equal to 4 upon 5x plus 2 fours are is 8. Now we'll take variable term to left hand side. We'll get x minus 4 upon 5 x equal to 8. अब यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ नहीं है तो हम यहाँ पे लेंगे डिनोमिनेटर में 1. So to make denominator equal to 5, we'll multiply 1 by 5 and x also by, we'll get 5x upon 5 minus 4x upon 5 is equal to 8. डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गया है तो अब हम न्यूमरेटर को सबट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. 5x minus 4x is 1x. 1x can be written as x upon 5 equal to 8. Now x is equal to 5 will go that side. 8 into 5 which is equal to 40. Therefore x is equal to 40. Now we'll substitute our value of x in the given equation. So left hand side is equal to 40, that is x, and right hand side is equal to 4 by 5, x is 40 plus 10 equal to 4 by 5, 40 plus 10 will give us 50, and 5 ones are 5 and 5 tens are 50. So 4 tens are is 40. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so our solution is correct. Equation 8, 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. अब हम वापस से वेरिएबल्स को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले लेंगे और कांस्टेंट को ले लेंगे राइट साइड पे. विल गेट 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15 equal to 3 minus 1. Now we'll first make denominator same. We'll multiply 3 by 5 and so we'll multiply numerator also by 5. Now 2 5s is 10x upon 15 minus 7x upon 15 equal to 2. Now 10x minus 7x will give you 3x upon 15 equal to 2. Now we can reduce this. 3 ones are 3 and 3 5s are 15. So it is x upon 5 is equal to 2. 5 will go to right hand side. So we'll get x is equal to 5 2s will give you 10. Now let us check our answer. Left hand side is equal to 2x upon 3 plus 1. X is 10, so 2 into 10 will give you 20 upon 3 plus 1 equal to, now this is 1, so denominator is also 1. We'll make the denominator same first, so 20 upon 3. We'll multiply denominator by 3 and numerator also by 3. So we'll get 3 upon 3. This is equal to 23 upon 3, right? Now right hand side is equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Now x is 10, so we'll write 7 into 10 will give you 70 upon 15 plus 3. Now again 3 के नीचे कुछ भी नहीं है means 1 है. So we'll multiply 1 with 15 and 3 also by 15 to make denominator same. So 70 upon 15 plus 3 15s is 45 upon 15. Now 70 plus 45 will give you 115 upon 15. Now 5 is the common factor, so we'll reduce it by 5. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 23s is 115. So right hand side is 23 upon 3, which is equal to left hand side. Therefore, our solution is correct. Equation 9th, 2y plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. So again वेरिएबल को हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले जाएंगे और कांस्टेंट को हम ले जाएंगे राइट साइड पे. सो 2y माइनस वाई का हो जाएगा प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 26 अपॉन 3 minus 5 upon 3. 2y plus y will give you 3y and अब यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर सेम है इसलिए we'll simply subtract numerator. So 26 minus 5 will give you 21 by 3. Now 3 1s are 3 and 3 7s are 21. So we'll get 3y is equal to 7. 3 will go to right hand side. So we'll get y is equal to 7 upon 3. Okay. अब हम check करेंगे हमारा solution. Left hand side is equal to 2y plus 5 upon 3. Now y is 7 upon 3. So we'll write 2 into 7 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. So this is equal to 2 sevens is 14 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. Now denominator is same. So we'll simply add numerators. 14 plus 5 will give you 19 upon 3. Right hand side is equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. This is equal to 26 upon 3 minus y is 7 upon 3. Denominator same है तो हम numerators को simply subtract कर लेंगे. 26 minus 7 will give you 19 upon 3. So right hand side is equal to left hand side and so our solution is correct. Equation 10th, 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. अब वेरिएबल को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले जाएंगे. सो विल गेट 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 upon 5. Okay. Now 3m minus 5m will give you minus 2m equal to minus 8 upon 5. 2m राइट हैंड साइड जाएगा तो डिवाइड हो जाएगा. सो m is equal to minus 8 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon minus 2. So minus will cancel with minus and 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. So we'll get m is equal to 4 upon 5. Okay. अब हम चेक करेंगे हमारा solution. So we'll get left hand side is equal to 3m and m is equal to 4 upon 5. So 3 into 4 upon 5 will give you 12 upon 5. Right hand side is equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. M is 4 upon 5. So we'll write down 5 into 4 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5. सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें डिनोमिनेटर में 5 चाहिए इसलिए यहाँ पे हम 5 को कैंसिल नहीं करेंगे. विल सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई 5 बाय 4. सो 5 4s is 20 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5. डिनोमिनेटर सेम है इसलिए हम न्यूमरेटर्स को सिंपली सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सो 20 minus 8 is equal to 12 upon 5. Okay. So this is equal to right hand side is equal to left hand side. Hence our solution is correct.
I hope you have understood the exercise. Answer the following question. You have to solve this question and you have to write in the comment box whether you are able to solve the question. And the solution of this question you'll find in the description below. If you have understood all the questions clearly, please give a like and share it with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel Press bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. Thank you.